How to start your first trade on Spot. In this video, we'll go through the steps of trading crypto on BTSE Spot. To get started, you'll first need to have crypto in your account. Go to the eWallet tab and select Spot. Here, you'll see all the crypto available in your account. In this example, we'll trade Bitcoin. Go to Bitcoin and then Trade. This will take you to the Spot page. Here, you'll see all the Bitcoin trading pairs available. Select the BTC/USD trading pair. There are two primary options when trading on BTSE: limit and market. Limit orders allow you to buy and sell crypto at a specific price, even if you're not online. The market option gives you the ability to buy and sell crypto instantly at the current market price. Now, we'll go through the steps for buying Bitcoin with USD using a market order. Click on SPY and then Market. Enter the amount you wish to buy and click Buy Order. That's it. You can now trade on BTSE Spot. For more educational videos like this, hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next time.
Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights from BTSE. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on other social media platforms. Find the links in the description box below and stay connected with us today.